Chaos and tear gas once again rocked the Nairobi County Assembly as police engaged with MCAs allied to Speaker Beatrice Elachi in yet another day of drama. A section of MCAs had attempted to forcefully eject Majority Leader Abdi Hassan Guyo from his office, causing the chaos. Last week, pro-Elachi MCAs staged a coup to replace the House leadership and installed Dandora MCA Charles Thuo as leader of Majority. This morning, Mr. Guyo claimed he was accosted on his way to the office by goons who tried to block his entry into the chambers. The goons are said to have broken the door to his office before police hurled tear gas at them. In the chaos that unfolded after the two warring factions engaged each other, even as they accused each other of being behind the violence.
Hapa iko mambo mbaya sana inaendelea, na hata serikali isipoingilia hii kitu imekuwa out of hand saa hii. Na serikali ya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta inatakana ikuje na iamuke ifanye mambo vile inatakikana. Sababu hatuwezi tukakaa kwa dhagari na guni simu na whatever tukae hapa. Ati mtu anakuja kuoga mheshimiwa mwenzake gumi. Na hata hiyo mmeiona live.